Want to know what I'm making?
If you do, then keep watching. Your girl's back at it. DIYs on the way.
You're watching Tammy B. Jones, where if you don't want to buy it, then just DIY it with your home inspire. Okay, guys, look over that. It says chalkboard paint. It was the only black that I have, but you're going to need whatever color choice of paint that you wanted. And you're going to need some spray paint, gold and black. Each 6,000 for the last of the end of the project. You don't really have to buy the clothespins, but I bought them just in case. And glue sticks. Now these glue sticks are not that strong, so you want to try and find a good strong glue stick. And of course, I bought some more painting sponges. Now I bought these rings. They're for knitting or crocheting spools, and I took them apart. Usually it comes to one has a screw on the end, and I bought three different sizes because we're going to be making three deep art on a canvas, and I'm going to be making three um, of these identical. However, I'm only going to share only one with you today. So first thing you have to do is, I'm just showing you the size here. But first you'll have to do is pull them apart. You'll also need a canvas. And then you'll need to saw off the metal clamps. This is a really thin wood. You can probably bend them off, but for the sake of splinting the board, I didn't want to do that. I just decided to saw it off very carefully, and and then you want to make sure that it's nice and even without the split, and because we're going to glue this together with our hot glue gun. You have to do this to every one that has the metal clamp on the end. Once you get your hot glue gun hot and ready, just put the glue on the ends and hold them together very, very firmly. Next, I left the canvas plastic still on, and there's a particular reason why, because we're going to use this as our backdrop, our working board. So I want to make an art that's going to sit on this canvas, and so I want to make sure I'm not going outside of the actual canvas size. So I'm using this canvas as a landscape for the ringlets. So first you just need to play around and find a design of your choice, a style of your choice to your liking. It doesn't have to be like mine, but it just has to be whatever flatters you. And this is what I came up with. So I overlaid them because I wanted that 3D effect. And here is where we're going to hot glue them together. I left them in place and just kind of hot glue on the corners of them, which didn't work too well. So I ended up just not moving them at all and just start hot gluing them from the top. And that worked perfectly. I got them all hot glued in. And you do this until you're comfortable that they're nice and secure. You're able to pick it up at this point. We're going to take it outside after we clean all the glue spider webs off of it. It's early in the morning, so my voice is it hadn't quite waken up yet. Just make sure you get all your glue stick spider webs away from the painting so when you go outside to paint it. And I'm going to be painting on top of this canvas right outside. Now, the reason why I'm trusting to do this is because there's no holes in the plastic on the canvas. I'm going to take Keisha J's idea and first do black spray paint. She says it makes the gold prominent, so we're going to see about that. And then I'm going to spray the gold on top of it. I really couldn't tell a difference if it made it shine more or if it was the same because I didn't pre-test one ringlet from the other. Next, we're going to unveil the plastic off of the canvas, and we're going to use the three color paints, including the black chalkboard paint, which you will never know that it was black chalkboard paint in the way I'm using it today. And I'm not going to be writing on it. So I'm using metallic gold, brown, and the black. Now you don't want to put heavy black drops, just some little soft black splats here and out throughout the paper because the black is so powerful, and you'll see that as I try to sweep the board with the paintbrush. Black is such a dominant color. And all I'm going to do is just do up and down brush strokes, and you'll find just how easy this is. What we're doing is just making it look distressed, kind of a wood-like look. And that's the look that I'm going for. The colors in the person's house that I'm making this for is chocolate. Her living room furniture is chocolate. So she wanted some gold ringlets that, and she saw it and I was like, I can make you a gold ringlet. But instead of just doing plain gold ringlets, I decided to do it on a canvas. I thought that would be a neater look than just circles on the wall. Also, I thought it would be more secure for the circles because the wood is very soft on these ringlets. I thought I needed to add more gold. And this is supposed to be metallic, like give it a real shine. And you won't see the shine until after it dries. It does give it a little shine, but not that much. So in this video, to give extra shine, I will be adding, well, not in the video, I will be adding a little bit of gold leafing in spots on this particular painting after it dries. Starting to come together with the wood-like painting molding. You want to make sure you do all the sides of the canvas as well. And it's looking pretty good to me, if I must say so myself. I'm really liking the way it's looking. And it does remind me of a log. It looks good, but it doesn't give me a metal look. It's like wood. So I pulled out my Mod Podge and I decided to heavily coat it. Like I really layered it on because I wanted that bubbly, thick, welded type metal look that you see in the stores. And so I just wanted to have a really thick look. And also, once the glue dry and then you re-spray it gold, it will give it a more shinier look. So that's what I'm going for, hoping that it really shines and look like metal. Now this is optional. You don't have to do this. This was just my desire because I am making this for someone as a housewarming gift. And she was desiring the ringlets. She just wanted them plain, but I thought it would look better on the canvas and it would better secure them. We're going to be gluing them down with this E6000 glue to the canvas and letting that dry overnight. And I also, after it dried, I went through and added the gold leafing off camera. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. You guys, I'll be doing two more of these, and eventually I'll be coming back with another video showing me hang it on her wall. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Bye.